Hi friends, how are you today? Can I share my crafty looking quilt and my retro looking yellow dress? Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sofia Sews and Play. My name is Sofia. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back and thank you so much for subscribing. In this video, I am going to be talking about a whole lot of things, sharing with you. I may be gone for another week and so I just want to let you know what I've been doing this whole week and share with you this beautiful quilt that I am making. I'm sewing. This is supposed to be the trip around the world, and I decided to use these rainbow looking dark colors because of the fabric that I will be making in the back of this beautiful quilt. So without further ado, let's start first with what I went to Joann, and I got me some strips, quilt strips, so that I can use when I need them, because I'm loving so much this the strips. Also, I am going to be talking about this beautiful dress that I made with this pattern right here. But first, let me finish up because it just came to my mind. But let me finish up with the quilt because the quilt has got me excited. I love quilting, I really do. But I'm not going to stop sewing my dresses and showing you my dresses because I really do like to sew my dresses or my trends, my patterns, and I love to model it. You know, I have fun watching myself when I go to edit my videos. You have no idea how much I laugh. But anyways, I hope you laugh at it too, but that's fine. Anyways, so this beautiful quilt over there, I am going to make this I decided to put this part in the back, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do the whole thing. I think I showed you this in one of my videos already when I went to the quilt festival, but I'm going to be using probably half of this, the middle part. I don't know yet, but this is going to be the back of it, along with another color, because I may be cutting these in different sizes so that I can share this quilt with my two precious daughters. I am making something for them also with this same rainbow colors in the back of another quilt. So that I do really want to finish this quilt for my next video. So I'm going to try my very best to finish this quilt here, along with the other two small ones that I'm making for my daughters. But if I don't finish with my daughter's two little ones, then I will definitely finish this one so that I can share it with you in my next video. This is one of my easiest, and I love it so much. In my next video, my next quilt regarding the trip around the world will be definitely, I am trying so hard. I want to make the twin first before I jump to the queen size. But after this one, I am going to be making the twin size because I do want to start making my quilts for the bed. I mean, I just learned so fast that right now, I'm not doing the little pieces by pieces anymore. I'm just jumping into it because, you know, I believe that these things are in us. It's just that if we have a passion for it, it will eventually comes out. We be thinking, oh, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. But if you have a passion for it, jump on it and you'll see like, oh wow. So anyways, I'm proud of myself. I mean, I know there's experts quilters out there and all that, but I also watch some beautiful, great quilters that they tell you, you know, they speak and make you feel that you don't have to be perfect, as long as you know, you could do anything you want with your fabrics. If you have art in your brain, bring it out on that fabric. And the ones that I listen to, I will share it in my next video because I didn't write them down, but I have them all pictured out in my phone to remember when to go back to them when I need them. And yeah, I can remember this one because This one, every time I forget something, I go right back to her. And let me try to get her name right. It's Mary Maybell Market. I have to say it slow in order to get it right. Another one that I watch is Donna Jordan. Rest in peace. I just found her, and then the Lord sent for her. So, but at least she have a lot of videos out there, and I love it. And there's many more, but I have them written down. Anyways, or I took pictures of them on my phone. Anyways, on this pattern right here, I made this model right here, the B with this dress. Oh no, I'm lying. I made the A because I added this on it. I added the strip right up here, which I can also convert it to the B because I made the B length and just this top right here, the strip. So this is very easy, and I use 100% linen on this because I also I forgot how you call this, but I put this what you call it. I put, I don't remember what I need to say, okay, because all these lingos I don't learn them yet, but I know what to do. But it's like I can't show you that yet. Anyways, so this is the dress that I made with the new look pattern 6507, and I did go ahead and model it out. You know, I love to model my little pieces with my fancy shoes, but I think this is one of the dresses that I'm going to be picking. I also like the one that I'm making for next hopefully next week. I can go ahead and post it because I need to finish up a little bit on it. So I'll show you that one next week, hopefully, along with this quilt that I'm finishing. So all these dresses I have about 4 dresses already made to pick to go to the tea party on the 17th of this month. So that's one of the things that I got to tell you. And I want to show you what I went to Joanne, I think it was Saturday, thinking that the fabrics went down a little. They did go down a little, but not enough. So I saw that one of our content creator, Miss Seashell, she had a good one, man. She got 90% off. She did very good. And I am watching my Joanne to see if it goes there. Because then if it goes there, then I will go ahead and buy the books. Because now that I am sewing my quilts, I need fabric. Because I want to make a lot of quilts to show. I just love quilts. It's kind of like, I know sewing to me is like a therapy, but when I got introduced to the quilting, talk about therapy. I mean, when I did put this together before sewing it, I was in awe of the way the colors came out. And so I'm even more in awe because I made my wall, my design wall, my quilt design wall, and just put it up there after I sewed it to see how it's going to look without the binding. I can see what kind of binding or what color to put on it. See, I skipped Joanne to go right back to the quilting, so I apologize. Now let's go back to Joanne. So when I went to Joanne, they did not have the sales that I was expecting. They got sales. The flannels went down to at least 60%. I don't think I need so many flannels right now. I want the fabrics. So I'm going to go back again, hopefully, next Saturday to see what happened and so on and so on. Because I even asked the register, which was a gentleman this time, and he said he doesn't know. And so when I saw Miss Seashell again, I thought, well, they're probably doing this in different places. So crossing my fingers that I get to get those. If not, then I'll just be content with what I have because I do have fabrics a whole lot. But let me show you the jelly rolls that I got. They were really good sales. They were really good sales. I got these for about $7, $8 was the most. So I got two of them because they are $15, and hey, it's jelly rolls, and I could use every one of these things because look at what you can do with strips. You see what I'm saying? Look at what I did with strips because there's out there on YouTube. There's beautiful strips makers, and I just go ahead. So I got this one. I'm definitely loving this black and white because it's gonna. I got something in my head. I got this one, and I got two of these because I love these colors how they came together. So look at how these colors gonna come together. So those were the only thing I got from Joann. Imagine I used to go to Joann just to get patterns most of the times. Okay, just patterns. And then whatever little knick-knack that I get in there. But that was my reason for going to Joann's, to get my patterns for $1.99 and $2.99. Now I don't even look at the patterns because I'm not paying 30% for no patterns. I'm so used to getting my patterns for $1.99. Maybe if there's a pattern that I'm really, really craving, then I will pay the price for it because I've done that before online. But I have so much patterns that right now I'll take it easy on it. The patterns right now because I'm into the quilts. Oh, you know what? I did get two more things from the Joann. It's just that I took it out. And I did get patterns. This type of patterns though. Quilting patterns. That's what I'm getting. And these patterns were like $2.99. $2.99. So I got these two patterns, quilting patterns. And last but not least, today I decided to wear this dress because I wanted to go out with it. Most of the times when I make my makes, I walk out the house with them and go somewhere because I want to hear somebody say something or whatever. I didn't hear anybody say nothing, but that's okay because I like it. But and my husband liked it, so that was the first compliment that I have. So hey, his is valid all the way. So I went out and do some errands, and then I stopped by a thrift store to drop off something, and then I went inside. At the door, they had some fabrics, and I got them $2 for this. Listen, look at this. I got this for $2. This pattern this fabric right here. I think it's like a yard and a half, or probably 2 yards. I got this in the this one's $2 too. They were $2 for this fabric. This right here, I would say is about 2 yards because it's folded in four. And this, what I'm going to do with this, hopefully I'm going to put it in the back of a quilt, unless I can find out what type of fabric it is. It feels like crepe. So I don't know what I'm doing with this, but I know for sure that this one is going to be quilt. This is $2. I mean, $2 in, they came in $2 taped up in round pieces. This is about, I would say this is about 3 yards or 2 yards and a half, I would say. And it's kind of scratchy. It feels kind of like it scratches, like scratchy. But this is going to be a quilt also. A quilt or the back of a quilt. I got this little one, $2, but it's cute because I can make some quilt with it. Look at this. I like what this says right here. So this definitely going to be a, some type of quilt, really cuteness. I got this. I thought this was a purple fabric, $2, and it's kind of like suede-ish. So I don't know what I will do with this, but I like the color, and whatever I do with it, it's probably going to be, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll just find out. but I like the color. The color kind of called me. I didn't know it was Swedish until I turned it around and it was. But I like the color because of the color was that color, like purple or burgundy. And then this more quilt, $2. This, look at how much fabric I have here. I got this folded twice. Beautiful quilt. This is quilt. All these colors are quilt. All right, for quilt or backings. And then this, I love this color. Look at this. This is about, I would say 2 yards. No, I'm lying. 1 yard and a half, something like that. Yeah, it would be like 1 yard and a half. But I love this color, and it's kind of like a knit. But I'm gonna use it for quilt because the color is like so bright. I like quilts like that, like really bright like that. But I also like pastel. But right now my eyes is in summer, so it's like bright. And then I have these. I got this bundle of different shades of green. $2 for this wrapped up like this. So I thought, well, let's get them. And I got these at that strip store. I just walked in, because I was there. I'm like, okay, let me walk in. And it was like at the door. I just walked in the door, and looked at, and I saw, okay. And that's all I got. That was a good day to go shopping. But, I mean, I didn't go shopping, but I saw it and I got them. And I can always use them for my quilting world. Because I have my other subscription boxes that will be for my nice clothing for 2025. So, with all that said, thank you so much for viewing my channel and taking the time to listen to me. And I will see you in my next video if it's God's will. Today is National Prayer Day in the United States of America. So if I had to pray any prayer, this would be my prayer. My prayer would be the Jabez prayer. And it goes like this, and it is found in the First Chronicles 4 and 10. And Jabez prayed, "Oh, that you will bless me indeed and enlarge my territory, that your hands will be with me, that you will keep me from evil, that I may not cause pain." And God granted him that prayer. So that would be my prayer for today. God bless you, and thank you so much for viewing again. Don't forget to like, please like, comment, tell me what you think about this dress, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you, and see you on my next video. Fabulous new look pattern that I made. It's the number 6507, and it's an off-shoulder flary, and with the straps right here. You can wear it with or without the straps. I elected to put both of them. And this is the way it fits. I love this. I sewed it with 1% linen, and I had to do a double to make sure that it was not see-through because it was very see-through, but it's a beautiful soft pattern. And I elected to wear it with these fabulous summer-looking shoes. So what do you think about this pattern? I love this pattern. It's very easy to make.